How to use Capital One shopping app. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply download it from Play Store or App Store, and after that just log into your account or create a new account if you are new to Capital One shopping. After that, you would be able to find the option to search different products. Go to the search bar and search for any product out there. After that, you would be able to find different deals according to your product that you have searched. Simply open it up. It might take you to eBay, Amazon, or any other different platform according to the deals available. Just simply go there and you would be able to activate that particular deal, and after that you can purchase that product and you would be getting some discounts according to it. And this way you can search for different products using the categories or all sort of options available to you. You can filter out the products that you like, and after that you would be able to make purchases. And this is how you would be able to utilize Capital One shopping application. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.